No one specializes in lighting for environmentally controlled chambers like Percival Scientific. Not only do we give you more lighting options than any other manufacturer, we are pioneers in lighting design. As the first company to install LEDs in scientific chambers, we designed our proprietary LEDs specifically for plant growth, and we support them for the lifetime of their use. We offer the largest color selection of tunable LEDs, allowing you to create a wide range of color spectrums for your research. Our full range of specialty lighting uses uniquely engineered lamp banks that give you maximum irradiance without sacrificing temperature control. And when you add our exclusive WeatherEze control system to your lighting solution, you have the amazing ability to replicate current or past global weather patterns. Want to match the natural light, humidity, and temperature of January 1990 in Brazil? We can do that. All of our lighting solutions can be customized for any size chamber. In fact, you won't find any company that works more closely with you to customize your lighting solution. If you'd like a free lighting consultation for your research needs, give us a call at 800-695-2743 or contact us through our website. Percival Scientific, helping you create better science.